In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Canva subscription and get a full refund. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have all the information you need to successfully end your subscription with Canva. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign into your Canva account on your computer. This means you'll need to head over to the Canva website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password readily available, as this will be necessary to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to access a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. Within the Settings menu, look for the option that says Billing and Teams, or sometimes it might be displayed as Billing and Plans. These options are where all your subscription details are held. After navigating to the billing section, the next step is to click on the option that says Cancel Subscription. This is a crucial step, as it initiates the process of ending your subscription with Canva. It's important to proceed with caution and ensure that you truly want to cancel, as selecting this option will terminate your subscription at the end of the current billing cycle. You'll then be prompted with a series of instructions to confirm your cancellation. These prompts are Canva's way of verifying that you intentionally want to end your subscription. Follow each instruction carefully to ensure the cancellation is processed correctly. This part may include a survey or a confirmation email, so keep an eye out for any additional requirements. Now, it's vital to understand Canva's refund policy. According to their terms and conditions, if you cancel your subscription, you won't receive a refund or a credit for any amounts that have already been billed. This means that if you're partway through a subscription period, you'll have access to Canva's services until the end of your current billing cycle, but you will not be refunded for partial periods. This policy highlights the importance of timing when deciding to cancel your subscription. And there you have it. That's how you cancel your Canva subscription. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in walking you through each stage of the process. Remember to review your subscription needs carefully before proceeding, as some features might be critical to your workflow. Thank you for joining me, and I wish you the best in managing your subscriptions effectively.